All right, guys, this is a Donner Deluxe. I know all you guys been lusting after these yourself. They're hard to find. No, I just saw it listed on eBay and snagged it up. Looks kind of like a cool crest. Big D in the middle, but it is made in, written in small letters there, made in Hong Kong. It did come with a key, surprisingly. A little Donner Deluxe. Looks like a Lamborghini symbol. Like maybe from the Donner Party. It does work. It only works in one direction. You have to turn it about 45 degrees. It looks like we've got locking lug only on one side. So let's pull that out of there and look at the top. There's a gap. Yep, we may be able to shim this guy. Let's try it. Let me grab a shim. Take this guy. And hold it down there, and there we go, shimmable. Let's see if it's... I'm starting to regret this eBay purchase already. Try a bypass on it. Okay, push all the pins down, reach in the very back, and see if we can... Oh, it feels shielded. Yep, it is shielded. So we're not going to get in that way. We are going to have to pick it. So I'm going to use, take a look at that keyway. You can either go top of the keyway or bottom of the keyway. I'm going to use bottom because that warding's kind of in your way. I'm not going to use that space down there anyway. So let's see if we can fit a medium one in there. See if that binds. That binds up a little bit. Let's take the large one. And there, that one does not bind. And let's rake them open. All right, so slide it in, light tension. Do some raking. There we go. Okay, it's relock. Why not single pin pick it? I didn't pay a lot, but I want some entertainment value out of this thing, you know? It's got to teach us something. All right, last pin. I'm actually bullying him a little bit, like I do a master lock. There we go, pin 2. There we go, pin 3. Sure was a lot faster raking it, wasn't it? Maybe bullying is not the way to go. I'm going to recock this thing. Lighter tension this time. That was 4. That was 2. And there we go. Yeah, medium tension. So, if you just have to have a Donner Deluxe, medium tension or shim it, those are your choices, guys. Don't waste your money. Learn the lesson from me. I made the mistake. You don't have to. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. Stay away from Donner Deluxe.